Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to take a look at 5 iOS apps that you should check out for this month. Our first app is Bear, and it's actually been my note-taking app of choice over the last couple of months. There is an iPad and Mac version as well, which ties into why I really like Bear, but most of all, it's a simple and well-designed notes app that stores all of your notes in plain text. Bear has an advanced markup editor that supports over 20 programming languages, the ability to cross-reference notes using hashtags as an organizational tool, and multiple themes to fit whatever style you might be looking for. I use this app to write scripts on my Mac or iPad Pro and then access the scripts on my phone when I'm shooting videos. Definitely worth checking out. If your New Year's resolution was to work out more in 2018 and you need a little help tracking your exercises, or if you're looking for new ones to try out, I highly recommend the app Workout. Now, of course, there are tons of workout apps available, and some might be better than others, but this app was new to me and has features that were not available in some other apps that I've tried. When you find a workout that suits you, you can start the workout and track your reps and the amount of weight for each set. Also, once you've completed the set, the app will automatically start a timer for rest between each set. There are instructions on how to use the machines and properly complete the exercise if needed, along with photos and videos for more information. You can even copy the exercise plan that's already created, and then add in any additional exercises that you might want for that extra personal touch. Other awesome features include an interactive list to discover different exercises by muscle groups, your tracked progress, and there's even an iPad app, although an Apple Watch app would make far more sense to me. The subscription model doesn't make any sense, as it's $15 for 1 month, $30 for the year, or $40 for unlimited use. Obviously, if you plan on paying for any of these apps' features, you should definitely just go with unlimited. Now, as someone who makes videos almost every single day for a living, you would think I'd be heavy in the video making apps world, but I actually rarely take videos on my phone. But when I do, the app that I like to use to edit and make some cool quick videos with is Adobe Spark Video. This is the perfect app to make quick little home movies about whatever you might want. The editor is easy to use, and the app includes different templates for your video. You can also add end credits, photos, and even some included music to really step up your movie. So when I was leaving CES and headed back, I shot a couple of time lapses on my iPhone and then chopped up a quick video using Adobe Spark, and the whole process probably took me about 4 minutes. It's really fast and simple to learn. Now, since this is an Adobe product, you can also get cloud access to your videos, and if you're looking for a little inspiration, the Inspiration tab has access to loads of awesome content that was already created by others using the app. On the photo side of things, Color Story can certainly assist you with some fantastic editing tools to really step up your Instagram game. After you have your photos ready, the app takes you through a couple of different editing screens, starting off with aspect ratio, borders, and the cropping of the image. Before we go any further, it's also very important to note that although a Color Story is free, this app can get very expensive very quickly. If Instagramming is your passion, obsession, or maybe it's your job, this app can certainly raise the bar of your content, but at a hefty price. With that said, there are loads of different filters and effects and tools that can help with all of this. These extra features all come in different packs with different themes to them. They give you a detailed description for what each pack contains and what styles of photography these filters would be ideal for. The same applies for effects too, like lens flare, bokeh, or fog. Color Story links to your Instagram account and can even plan out and send you notifications to assist you with your Instagram content scheduling. If you really want to get crazy, a Color Story has a companion app called a Design Kit that offers even more tools, filters, and fonts for more editing possibilities. Finally, our last app is actually our game of the month, and that is The Room Old Sins. Now, The Room Old Sins is a puzzle and exploration game where the disappearance of an engineer and his wife leads you on the hunt for a precious artifact starting in their attic of their house. The game will lead you through many unsettling locations, following various clues, and solving different puzzles. The game's visuals is pretty good, and the story has been intriguing enough for me to want to keep playing a type of game that I quite frankly usually don't find myself playing. So if you're into puzzles and the exploration of different creepy dollhouses, this game might be worth checking out. Let us know in the comment section down below which app you might want to download, and also be sure to include which apps you think we should check out and potentially feature in next month's video. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.